Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable auto-delete messages on Telegram so your chats stay exactly how you want them. Whether you're using Telegram for work, friends, or daily chatting, keeping your messages from disappearing can be really useful. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. This will take you to your main chat list, where all your conversations are displayed. Now, look up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Tap on it. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and choose Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your account and privacy options. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where you manage who can see your details, how your data is handled, and of course, your message timer settings. Next, look for the option that says Auto Delete Messages. Tap on it. You'll now see a few choices that control how long Telegram keeps your messages before they're automatically deleted. If you've previously set a timer for an hour, a day, or even a week, your messages have been disappearing according to that rule. But if you prefer your messages to stay permanently until you delete them yourself, here's what to do. Simply select Off. Once you tap Off, Telegram will turn off the auto-delete feature right away. From now on, your messages won't vanish automatically, and you'll have full control over when to clear your chat history. That's all it takes. Just a few taps, and your Telegram conversations will stay right where you left them. Remember, if you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps again and choose a timer that fits your needs. Thanks for watching.